I'm Will Hillenbrand, and I'm the author and illustrator of the PA1 book for this year. The book is called Kite Day, a bear and mole story. Before I begin reading, I just want to remind you that whoever you have reading this book has their own unique voice, and however they read it is the best voice for you. But today, that will be me. Let's go in the story. This book is dedicated to my editor and friend, Mary Cash. Bear looked at the sky. Could it be? He wondered. He tilted his head up. Whiff, whiff, whiff. He smiled, then shouted, "Kite Day!" Bear rushed home, huff, puff, huff. "Come on," waved Bear to Mole. "Kite Day is here." Bear collected. Mole studied. Bear snatched. Bear measured and cut. Mole drew. They both constructed. Finally, they raced outside into the meadow. The kite flew. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It soared up, up, up. Then dark, heavy clouds rolled in. Rumble, rumble, rumble. The breeze grew into a gust, then snap, the kite string broke. Away, away, away spun the kite. "Oh no!" screamed Mole and Bear. Down, down, down plunged the kite. "Save that kite!" shouted Mole. The two ran. "Hurry, hurry, hurry," urged Bear. Mole stopped. He tilted his head up. Splat, splat, splat. Rain pelted the broken kite. "Look!" cried Bear. "Oh," sighed Mole. "Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up," squeaked the chicks. "Thank you," sang Mother Bird. The end. Thank you for listening to me read Kite Day for you.
Hello, happy Wednesday, owls. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K day. It is the letter K. Karate day. Let's get to the date first, though. Here we go. Well, the month has not changed. It is May, January, February, March, April, May. Remember that number? And it is the 13th day of May. There's the tricky teen number 13. All teen numbers start with 1. All right, 2020, but we're only going to write 20. Here we go. May. What number do I need for May? 5. I don't know if you got that faster than me. All right. What number day do you remember? It's a teen number. 13. Here it is, a 1 and a 3. And do you know the last number? 20. 2 and a 0 is 20. There it is. May 13th, 2020. New cube, new day. New day, new cube. I always get that backwards. Here it is. Filling in. Oh, would you look at that? All my cubes have filled up the entire cube rack. I probably don't even need to count them. You know why. Because there should be enough for one of these. What is this? It's a 10 rod. Let's just count just to make sure. I always like to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a 10. This is way easier to count. Let's get rid of those cubes and exchange them. I'm going to take my 10 ones, my 10 cubes, give a 10 rod. There you go. That is our day for today. So, how many cubes? 0. We exchanged them. There's none today. How many 10 rods? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10 rods. How many 100 flats? 1. 100 flat is the number 100 plus the 10 rods. There's 6 of them. We'd have to count by tens. 6 times 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus the amount of cubes we have, which are 0. We really don't even need to write it because it's nothing anyways. But I'll write it. Here it is, plus 0. Equals 100 plus 60 plus 0. Well, it's 160. And there it looks like that. I just take those numbers right up there, put them together. 100. 6 10 rods, 0. There it is. It's the 160th day of school. Wowie. Wowie. All right, K day for the 160th day. Things that teacher Stacy thinks about when she hears the k sound. Now, this is the k sound, not this one, not Katina cat. That's the letter C. These are the words I think of when I hear the letter K or the sound K, but I know it's a K. You'll get there. You'll know the difference one day. But I do think of this. I think about ketchup. Ketchup. Love it in my burger. Love it in my hot dog. There it is. It's spelled kind of funny. Cats. There's that CH. Ch. And then up. Catch. Up. It's kind of funny. All right. What else do I think about when I hear the letter K or sound of K? Ooh, sometimes I think about key. I like these old time keys. Key. All right. And I love a windy day because I like to think of kites. Kites. I think maybe it was Austin who flew a kite already in the last couple of weeks. I think so. Anyways, I love kites. Here it is. Kite. Kite. So those are the things I think about for the letter K. We have no owl friends in our class that begin with the K. So I can't think of any of them because there are none. All right, we're going to talk about your work for today. Here we go. All right, let's talk about your work for today on K Day. Your seesaw activity today is one that we've done before. It's called Glow Words. And I think from what I realized everybody did last time was that they used their finger or their mouse and tried to write heart words. You're not using the words that the assignment tells you to use because those are not kindergarten words. I would like you to try your yellow heart words today. I know it was a little challenging for some of you last time. Stick with it. Give it another try. And if it really is too frustrating with you, then you can write it on a piece of paper. But today I want you to practice those yellow heart words, writing them, okay? And then maybe reading them after you write them. So, go ahead and try Glow Words and Seesaw. Get on to Raz Kids, do a little reading. Raz Kids for K-Day. Starfall again, just there if you want something to do. You don't need to do it if you don't want to or have time to do it today. And get on to the YouTube. Remember, I give the link to you. It's Jack Hartman's K video. Kite, kangaroo. K is a letter. So that's what I want you to do. And then we'll move on to math for today. Math for K-Day. I took the sound, but it doesn't really start with a K. Today's activity is called estimating cupfuls. Cup starts with a C, but it sounds like a K. It's the best I could do. And I did send a picture of this card, and it looks like this. So you should be able to see exactly if you can't see it on here. But here's what I want you to do. This card will tell you to pick a container. I went into my little Tupperware drawer and got some containers out. I don't know, 3 containers maybe. And then I want you to pick a measuring cup. Now, it doesn't have to actually be a cup. I picked one. I picked smaller containers. So I picked, I only picked 1/4 of a cup. And parents, you know what I'm talking about here. Just something to measure with. It could be whatever. It could be a Dixie cup. Doesn't matter. Anyways, and then you're going to want to get something out like beans, pennies. If you have rocks, little pebbles in your backyard, if you have dirt in your backyard. I happen to have enough beads that I would do it with these beads. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to estimate, I'm going to guess how many of my measuring cup, how many full of beads. So I'm going to fill it up with beads. Do you see it? I filled it up with beads. How many of this measuring cup am I going to fit into my container? So I don't know. I'll go with this orange one. Well, let's see. I'm going to guess it's going to take, and you really got to think about it. I'm going to guess 4. Let's find out. So here's 1. All right. I'm going for number 2. Okay, I said 4. I might be close. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. I guessed 4. I don't know. I could probably fit another one in here. Let's try for 5. I'm going to put it over here so I don't spill it. 5. Yeah, my orange container takes about 5 of my measuring cup of beads to fill it in. So play around with that. And again, try a couple different containers you're estimating. You don't have to use beads, beans, pennies, Shopkins, whatever. All right, so that's your math activity for today. Today, you're estimating cupfuls. That's fun. After math, okay, moving on to the letter book. You know it. You're getting good at it. The letter K makes me think of uppercase K and lowercase k. Both tall letters should be hitting the top of that line. Very important. Work on your beautiful tiny Ks. And your K letter challenge for today has to do with the kitchen. Well, this is really up to mom, dad, whoever is helping you with your schoolwork today, or whomever you're with today in the kitchen. I just want you to help in the kitchen. Maybe you help cook something. Maybe you help clean the kitchen. Maybe you sweep the kitchen. Maybe you get to set the table for dinner. Maybe you've never done that before. What a great day on K-Day to learn how to do that and help your family in the kitchen. Any sort of kitchen activity, but again, let whoever you're with, the adult you're with, be okay with how you're helping in the kitchen, and send me a picture of it. All right. I think that's our K-Day. So have fun, and I can't wait to see your pictures today. Have a wonderful day. Bye.